In this video, we will learn about urine formation. Urine formation involves following four major events. First is ultrafiltration, second is selective reabsorption or tubular reabsorption, third is tubular secretion, and fourth is concentration. Let's understand all these steps one by one. First is ultrafiltration or glomerular filtration. Bowman's capsules of nephrons act as ultrafilter. Bowman's capsule is a cup-shaped region, and inside this cup-shaped region we have tuft of capillaries called glomerulus. Here the ultrafiltration will take place and the filtrate will be collected in this Bowman's capsule. Blood flows inside glomerular capillaries under pressure, and water with dissolved molecules from blood plasma diffuses out into the lumen of Bowman's capsule under pressure. As a result of ultrafiltration, all the substances dissolved in blood plasma are filtered out. These include both harmful as well as beneficial substances like urea, uric acid, glucose, amino acids, some vitamins, and inorganic salts. This filtered liquid is known as nephric filtrate or glomerular filtrate. The second step is selective reabsorption or tubular reabsorption. During ultrafiltration, substances necessary for body metabolism also diffuses out into the nephric filtrate. These useful substances from nephric filtrate are reabsorbed into the blood of efferent arteriole. For this purpose, efferent arteriole forms a network of peritubular capillaries around convoluted tubules and Henle's loop of uriniferous tubules. Approximately all the glucose, all amino acid, some inorganic salts, and most of water are reabsorbed from nephric filtrate into the blood of peritubular capillaries in PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubule. In ascending limb, active absorption of sodium chloride takes place without water. Here we have the structure of nephron. At this part we can observe that ultrafiltration takes place, and here we have the selective reabsorption taking place. In this image we can observe that this is the region where ultrafiltration takes place, and this part, that is PCT, DCT, and Henle's loop, are the part where selective reabsorption will take place. The next step is tubular secretion in distal convoluted tubule. The excretory products left in the blood capillaries are secreted into the uriniferous tubules by diffusion. The creatinine and potassium are secreted from the blood into the nephric filtrate. The next step is concentration and osmoregulation. In case the water concentration in blood is less, more water is reabsorbed from the nephric filtrate. Thus, kidneys help in the formation of concentrated urine as well as in water regulation, that is osmoregulation. Here we can observe all the processes, that is ultrafiltration, selective reabsorption, tubular secretion, concentration, and osmoregulation. The first process is ultrafiltration. So this is Bowman's capsule and this is the glomerulus, and here the nephric filtrate would be formed. Nephric filtrate also contains some useful substances which would be reabsorbed by the second process of selective reabsorption. After selective reabsorption, there are still some harmful substances in the blood that needs to be eliminated, and it is eliminated from the blood and put into the nephric filtrate by the process of tubular secretion which takes place in DCT. Next is concentration and osmoregulation. Based on the water level in the body, the concentration and osmoregulation is done. If body requires more water, then more water would be absorbed in this region. Now let's understand about urine. The adult human body excretes on an average 1 to 1.5 liters of urine in 24 hours. Freshly voided urine is usually clear and straw colored or amber in color. Its color is due to a pigment called urochrome. Urine contains 95% water and 5% dissolved solids. Urination is also called micturition, and the urge of micturition arises when urinary bladder comes to have 300 to 400 milliliter of urine. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.